0, 1. Let's get started.
Hi everybody, it's Robin from Talks from the Heart. Well, it's Sunday before Labor Day here in the States, and I got my Filofax Domino, and I'm excited. I have peeked at it. I did order it, and I got it for under $7. $6 and some low change for this. So I always say check Amazon, because for whatever reason, sometimes the prices just do a huge nosedive. I did check this, and this color is currently unavailable, so it probably got scooped up because of the price. Now, I have this Filofax Malden, which I've had for a long time. This is what I'm currently using for my main planner, and I'll tell you, I know this is persnickety of me, and it's not meant to be, but this thing is driving me crazy. I don't know what's happening to me. I really don't. I'm in a pocket rings, for Pete's sakes, and this is bugging me. So, because I'm all about the leather, and I'm all about the woohoo, you know, this is the best, right? And I can't do it anymore. I can't. Yeah. So, I looked on Amazon. Funny thing, Rachel from Rachel Beauty Plans, we were chatting at the same time, and I said I ordered them all. I ordered a Domino, and she goes, me too. And I'm like, oh my gosh. So here it is. I ordered the gray. It comes pristine. It's gorgeous. And so this is basically like a TN style. So it does have that groove there, which I'm okay with. But look, when I'm writing in it, I'm not gonna be fighting with this. So we're not gonna do much of a comparison, but I am gonna unbox this with you. The inside is like a really soft kind of grayish brown, I guess. I think you guys can see that. And then the outside is, so this is not leather. Celebrating 100 years. Wow. Okay. So let's see what this says. Filofax Domino. That's gray pocket. That's what I would do, is I would just in Amazon just check. There's a lot. Patent leather. There's a lot of stuff going on with Filofax. So I'm just gonna break this in, like doing this. And I'm okay with that. You know, the other thing too is this is going in and out of my purse, and I'm really super curious to see how this will, how this will keep, because I'm not precious with my planners. Never have been. Even my undyed, I'm like, meh, I'm good. So it comes with a lot of extras, and I'm really happy to say that it comes with a clear one of these. The Malden had a brown one, a plastic sleeve, which I have another one, more of the colored paper that I've currently been using. So that's good, because I was going to have to cut some more paper. It comes with tabs, you guys, which actually you could just white this out and sticker it up with whatever you wanted and designate that if you like tabs. I'm excited to take this off and use this as a divider of some kind. I don't know. So this just says gray. I'm going to put it, just for fun right now, I'm just going to put it right here. I don't know why. I've never done that before. I'm going to take this off. Oh, before I take this off, I'm going to check the rings. Yep, everything's coming together beautifully. So I'm going to take this off. And what I'm going to do is, I don't believe, I want to see. The rings seem smaller. So let's take a look at that than the Malden. And that's really what I wanted to do, was I wanted to take all of the guts out here and then see how it fits. I probably should have done that before I started breaking it in, but I'm keeping it for $6 at the very minimum. I can keep used inserts or dividers and fancy stuff that I'm not using at the time for my pocket rings, just like I do with my personal rings, and use it for storage. That was the long way of me saying use it for storage. Okay, again, I'm going to take some time this weekend to set this up. And let's see. Okay. Hang on. I'm not trying to hide anything. I'm just trying to like get it in there. Yeah, these rings are smaller. Okay, that never occurred to me that they would do that. But let's see how it goes. Because for the amount of stuff that I'm going to be adding as decorations and, you know, kind of just having fun with it like I would any other planner, I don't think I'm going to make it where it's going to be overly stuffed. And then look, I can use this in the month. Oh, this is fabulous, and it's clear. So, okay. Oh, wow. So this is a very TNE vibe. Again, I will set this aside. I mean, it's kind of a waste. I'm not one to redate these. So, you know, it is what it is. I've had to let that go. But look, I get another one of these pockets. I get another one of these. So I'll utilize that. You guys, this, look, it still has room. Not as much. It doesn't seem to have as much room. But yet, I wonder if that's just in my head because it seems to be flipping just fine. All right, so let's transition. Where are we going to put Mr. Krabs? Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh. It's a thing. I don't know. He might have to live on my desk for the time being. Okay. I'm not being dramatic. It just, I love having him in my planner. Okay, so this is my if found. Please text me or email me. That's not going to fit there. So we'll just have to go like that. And then we have pom-poms sticking out. And then some information that I need for shipping. I'm going to tuck that back there. And you know, this pocket is top loading, so this is very useful. So I'll probably be implementing that for a functional reason. And then, you know, I want to punch this so bad and stick it there, but I'm going to just do that. So these slot holders, they go all, okay, so this is a horrible example. Hang on, let me get one of my metal washi cards from Sweet Quiet Designs. So this is a basic business size, and it goes all the way down like that for actual, probably credit cards. Oh yeah, so all the pockets do. Okay, and then we have, this does not have a back pocket. So I have a divider that I made a long time ago that I wasn't using, and then I have my 2025 from Oki Plans. I'm gonna just store that in the spot where I'm storing a lot of my 2025s. So, ooh, and then let's talk about the pen. So this pen doesn't have a grippy, so it does slide in and out very, very well. Let me see if I can find one. I don't know, I have a lot of those pens, so let me see. Oh, here's a Klenna. Here's a Klenna that has a grippy. So let's see, the grip section right here can kind of make getting this in and out pretty tough. But way easier, you guys, than the Malden. This would have never fit in the Malden. Yeah, so this elastic pen holder is also a plus. The price is a plus. The no back pocket would be a negative if you store a lot in there. But you do have this section. And let's see. So not not a lot, oh, that fits. Not a lot of stuff can happen in the pockets, which I'm okay with. Okay, so that works. And then the pen, I love that I have a couple of pen options, so that's fantastic. And if I want to be really picky, this pen would go better, I think. And I am going to be picky because I can, because it's just a pen, so it's nothing to get worried about or be shamed about that I want to have stuff match. All right, so whoo-hoo. Okay, this, I'm going to, I also can add charms to this. And then here's the side where it has some painted snaps. Very, very curious to see how this will fare in my handbag. But I'm rid of that little flap of leather for right now because I'm just going to open it. It lays flat. Yeah. And let's see if we can. There you go. That's nice. Wow, that's really nice. Okay, you guys, check out Amazon. I don't have anything linked because there's so many colors. There's even pattern colors. Some of them are styled like this with the flap. They're not leather, obviously. And then some of them are styled like this. There's patent leathers. There's polka dot stripes. So many things to look at. So have fun. Just go to Amazon.com and do that. So I don't have anything in my cart. But also this is very sturdy. I like it. All right, thank you so much for watching, everybody. I hope you guys have a great day. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and always enjoy today. Bye, everybody.
Let's get started.